straight from Awake, New York. And it comes with love, guys. A very rare Asics, a very rare collaboration that you guys might just want to get your hands on it before they get into those thousands of range. They're already getting a little out of control. Let's put it like this. Odds are that for you to get your hands on them is nearly impossible. Roll my intro. Let's get to this collaboration because we ain't got time to waste. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Primo. Oh man, I just messed up on the whole damn intro. I went back like 6-7 months when I used to introduce myself to that. Remember that? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Primo Cruz here reporting once again. No. I don't like that. What's going on, YouTube fam? Hope you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all great things. Guys, I'm telling you, like I said in the beginning, straight from Awake, New York, with love. More thundering. I'm telling you, there's something going on with the thundering. There's something going. Every time I decide to start recording, it starts to thunder. Guys, it's Florida. What are you going to do about it? It's all good and gravy. Go with it. Go with it. Estoy un poquito cagado, but it's all good. So before we even get into these bad boys right there, guys, we got to start off with the presentation. Yes, I know. What do you want me to do about it, guys? There's people that love the presentation. Let's get into it immediately. In top of the lid, guys, Asics New York. Very beautiful. Awake. I just did a tremendous tongue twister right there that I didn't even understand myself. Restart. Asics Awake New York with the skyline of New York City. You see the Statue of Liberty, you see the towers, you see everything there. What a beautiful image, guys. I love this box. Wow, I love it, guys. The edge of the lids, nothing much, guys. Nothing much on the lids. It just says right there, Asics, right in the left corner. The front of the box is just in glossy black. The side, the actual city keeps on going. It says Asics Awake New York for the collaboration. And in the back, very nice. That is the top right there of the tower. You see Asics Awake New York. Very beautiful. And going to with the QR codes right there. Yes, US size 10. I'll bring up the whole sizing thing in just a little bit, guys. Just a little bit. You see the QR codes. You see the whole shebang right there. The color of these shoes is pure silver, green, blue, slate. In other words, teal. Come on, Asics, man. Don't be doing the Nike things that is teal and you call it dusty cactus. That didn't make sense. Let's get back to it. And right there in the corner of the lid, it says Ortholite Comfort Foam Insoles, long-term cushioning, high-level breathability, moisture management, and lightweight comfort. Yes, guys, very beautiful on the outside. The inside has just a lot of black. But it does come with extra laces. White laces and teal laces. I'll show you right there in the camera, but you guys will see the image. And I will show you both shoes with both laces. Guys, just hold on to your booties right there. Hold on to your booties. So that's pretty much it for the presentation, guys. Take care of your boxes. Remember, nah, I'm not going to throw this. This is very nice, very beautiful. And I love the city of New York. Very nice, very nice. You know, there's certain things, guys, that I just don't throw them, you know, because, I don't know, it's just more like a memorable thing to me and stuff like that. The rest, I don't even throw them to the back over there. I actually burn them. I don't want the thing. And just in case, guys, yes, I got these through GOAT. I'm going to leave a link below. Just in case you didn't get these shoes and they're already, because the last time I checked, they had none in stock and the other ones were very high priced. It doesn't matter, guys. They have other colorways. They have all type of things. And now it is time to bring these beauties into the action. But first, you already know how I start this off, guys. The materials and the toe box. The toe box, guys, silver mesh. Off the rip. Silver mesh. Gorgeous. Beautiful. It's nice. And you know when I say it's nice, that means the quality is on point. There goes the thundering again. Why? Why you gotta do this? Nature, you're gorgeous. But I need a little bit of relaxation time right now. Hear me out. Right in the tip of the toe box, you see that teal color in suede, guys. Everything that you see in teal is suede, except a couple of little parts that I'll show it to you guys. A lot of details in the shoe. And it's surrounded with 3M. Everything that you guys see right there in silver is 3M. Going to the top of the shoe, it is surrounded with that blue teal suede all the way through. Right in the middle, it is 3M. Very reflective, very nice, very good quality. Yes. The tongue is in mesh. The laces on this pair right here are in teal. And going all the way to the top, in that mesh, it actually has sewn on the A for Asics. Very beautiful. Going inside of the shoe, I love this contrast right there. It is jet black. The tongue, the sole is jet black. Everything is jet black except the Asics logo that is in that teal color. Going to the side of the shoe, guys. That's where the beauty begins, where the magic all starts. Check out that suede all the way through. Yes, yes, very gorgeous, very gorgeous. And you see the Asics logo in that pink, but it's more like a pastel pink. It's not a very bright pink, guys. Pastel, pastelito de guayaba. You know what I'm saying? Just not as bright, but it tastes good. Not that I'm saying that I'm eating this shit or nothing like that. Let me think of something weird, enfermo. Let's get back to it. So the whole logo, guys, you see all that textured area on the logo. That is actually suede. Very nice, guys. Very nice. And the back is actually nubuck. It is all surrounded with that silver mesh and 3M all the way through. A lot of 3M on this shoe, guys. At nighttime, boy, this shines like a nightclub. Yes, guys. I gotta dance, especially with the colorway of these bad boys. South, yes, guys, that's how we say it down in the South. You know, well, technically, no, that's just certain Cubans there. All right, I just made that one awkward. Let's get back to the shoes. So like I was saying, guys, the 3M goes all the way to the back of the shoe. And you see right there on the actual nubuck that's surrounded with the suede and teal, you see the collaboration, Awake New York, very nicely embossed into that nubuck. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. All the way in the back, you see the actual 3M right on top of the ankle collar, and you see gel sewn on to that steel colored mesh. Going into the midsole of the shoe, yes, split into two, baby. The white with that pastel pinkish. Yes, I love pink. I love pink. And you see that gel technology right in the front right there, and it looks like a crystal. If you look at it real good, guys, you can see right through it. Beautiful. I love it. That same pink color goes to the middle right there. You see that it has a little bit of a gradient white. I love it. I love it. And the actual gel technology in the back in pink as well, with the little shank in silver. Yes, guys, that we'll get to the middle right now. But I gotta say this about Asics. Asics to this day, to me, is one of the most detailed shoes that I have ever witnessed in my entire life. The detail that Asics puts into their shoes, it's on and beyond. I don't care who gets hurt about this, but leaves Nike in the dust. Not all Nike shoes, but when it comes to the details of these shoes, the way they construct them, the quality, everything, guys, it's like I've always said, this is other next quality. You know, maybe another tongue twister right there. It's just in another category when it comes to these things. This is when the person already has graduated from the Jordans and the regular shoes, that they have graduated from that already, and they want to jump into the upper echelon-ish, if that's even a word. Yes, guys, this is what you jump into right here. The MBs, the made in US MBs, the Sauconys. This is what you get into right here, guys. I've said the video. I think I did a video already. I don't know. I don't remember. No matter. Let's get back. And now going into the sole of the shoe, you see the white down the middle all the way through. And you see the pucks in black with a nice pattern, guys. It has a very nice pattern. And you see the silver part that I was telling you in the inside of the shoe as well. And it has this like honeycomb looking thing right there. I don't know, right inside of that silver piece in pink. Very nice. And in the middle, it says guidance line with a gel logo. Very beautiful all the way through, guys. Very gorgeous. Not much else I can say about it besides, oh, so fungayo. What does that mean? I just said that you guys are cool shit. But as you guys see right here, yes, the teal laces right there. Let me switch it up. These guys are with the white laces. Very beautiful, gorgeous, clean, guys. Clean, besides an extremely rare shoe. That we'll talk about that in just a little bit in the sizing and the on foot and the whole shebang. Me personally, I'm sticking with the white because it matches. Give me 1 second.
A few moments later.
My Miami Heat South Beach hat, guys. There it is. Nice and contrasting. Oh my God. Now that I'm looking at it, boy. Esto está. Hey, madre, babu. Ay, puñeta, como dice los boricos. Puñeta. This is bad, boy. This is clean. I don't even feel like reviewing this anymore. I just want to go out, bro. By the way, real big shout out to all my gente in Puerto Rico. Yeah, I see it, baby. I see it. Like number 6. Aldurete, huepa. Vamos para adelante. Relax, because I get excited. You know what I'm saying? I can't do nothing about it, guys. So yes, guys, now let's get into the detailing of this. The detailing, you know, not the shoe detailing, is the fact of, there goes the thundering again, is the fact of what is the chances of you getting this. It's very rare, guys. These shoes sold out, and to get your hands on them is extremely difficult right now. Some people have it for a good price. They're like in the 300s range type of thing. Some people are just nuts. Some people want $1,000 for it, $1,500. It is what it is, guys. But I cannot tell you what price guaranteed you can be able to get this. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link below. I'm going to try to find it in all the stores that will give me the actual affiliate link. But it is what it is. It goes up and down, guys. So I cannot really tell you. But now, I can talk to you about the sizing, just in case you guys want some Gel-Nycs, the whole shebang. In my case, guys, these shoes, to a lot of people, they run true to size. Once again, I've always recommend to go to the store and you guys try them. I understand that Gel-Nycs, Cayano 14s are very rare to see in stores. Almost nearly impossible. But in my case, guys, this is what I recommend and this is what I go with. And I have a very narrow foot. I'm usually at 9.5 in Jordans, Air Maxes, the whole shebang. I say go half a size up. I go half a size up. And I definitely need a half a size up on all my Asics. Why, guys? I don't know. Each foot is different. Even though on some people, I have to go all the way to a size 9 on certain shoes. On these, I got to go to a size 10. It is what it is, guys. So what do I say? I recommend them to go half a size up. Once again, if you guys can try them out, even better. And you guys will know for yourself. But that's my recommendation. Comfortability, out of control. That's all I'm going to say. Out of control. There is no shoes in the planet that would ever step up to Asics when it comes to comfortability, at least to me, guys. New Balances are pretty there. But when it comes to comfortability, to me, the Cayano 14, the Gel-Nycs, these things, all of them, the 1130s, the 2160s, too, they're all amazing, guys. These shoes are like, they're a gift. They're a gift from the heavens. Yes. You guys hear the sound effects? Maybe I didn't. Maybe it got awkward again. I forgot to put it in the editing. Whatever. But this is super comfort. 9, I don't give 10s. I've only given 1 10 before, guys. And in reality, I'm being more of a bias because it helps out people that have foot problems and stuff like that, and very orthopedic, and it had the swag. But I don't give 10s. This shoe is a 9.5 all day. For me to get a 9.7, it will have probably another model of Asics, or maybe a New Balance or something like that, or a Saucony that I haven't tried out yet. But this to me is still the most comfortable that I could possibly wear. And this is a mix between a Cayano 14. It's actually a mix of a lot of shoes. Guys, I will have to bring up a history of these shoes just so you guys know. But yes, highly recommend the Gel-Nycs. If you guys can get your hands on the Awake collaboration, they do have one more colorway in purple. I personally not real big fan of that color, even though I still might get them. I don't know, guys, because I do like purple, but the gold or the purple, it's hard to find things to match with that, But hey, there's always the blacked out look, and it is what it is, guys. But there you guys have it, the Awake New York Asics collaboration, one-of-a-kind sneaker, the South Beach colorways. Man, I cannot complain. I am the happiest man in the world to have these shoes in my hands. Finally, remember, finally, I actually found them. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. There goes the thunder. It is what it is, guys. El cohete, machete afilao. Bro, I don't know. My outro is going to be like 5 hours long. I'll just keep it to el cohete. El cohete.